Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe yet, please click on the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you will receive a notifications on daily videos. So today topic is adaptive background subtractions. Sometime what happen, we have a noise on our image and we want to remove that noise from the image. The reason is I'll be showing you some images if I got a chance, and along with the code how we can remove that noise. So let's see in a practical way. Basically what happened, let's suppose we have that one image. So I will draw a line. Okay, so let's suppose we have an image like that. Okay, sorry for the drawing. So that is the object if it's here, and now we have image 2. Like basically it's a video. So when the object is moving, let's suppose the object move here, what happened in the original scene, you will see the new image. What you will see, you will see that particular object over there, which create a problem. Like for the being a human being, we understand how things work, but computer didn't understand. So what our goal is in this topic, we want to remove that particular object because it's not exist in the area. Now object is moved there where my tick is, so we want to remove that particular object from the frame of the video. So we'll use, there are different several methods. One is adaptive background subtraction, one is Gaussian mixture we can use. So in this topic I'm going to cover adaptive background subtraction. This is the formula for the adaptive. Basically BT is the background of the image, alpha is the learning rate, you can say, and it's between, you put between 0 and 1, and then it's a hit and trial. You will see how you will get the result obvious, and plus the image, it, sorry, multiplication with the image, that image, plus 1 minus alpha is the learning rate, and then the background image, the previous one. So if alpha is 0, remember it's mean that that terms goes 0. Then if you multiply anything with 0, it becomes 0. So then you have only the previous background. If alpha is 1, so then this background, this one, then this term goes 0 and you have the current image. So these are the theory behind it. Now let's move to the program. So this is my program. I program already. Okay, so let's remove this stuff first from the screen, then I'll explain you how it's work. So now the screen is clear. So first of all, what we do, we have to import OpenCV2. If you don't know how to install, videos there in the description, you can click on, you can install. Then you have to install also NumPy. If you know how to install, that's perfect. If you don't know, the link is in the description how you can install. It's basically pip. If you are using Python 3, pip3 install. I'll mention for you here. Like if you have already Python, so what you can do, you just type pip3 install numpy. So this will install your that numpy package from the command prompt basically. So once you import this library, basically we have to convert the image into array instead of the whole matrix. Then after that, you just capture, its basic command, capture is equal to cv2.video capture. What it's do, it's basically turn on your camera to start for the recording. 0, you put 0 over there so that it will turn on your device camera. If you have any pre-video you want, you just put the path over here, and then this terms we'll see later on. Before, basically this is the background same which I shows in the theory, and this is alpha rate, I make it as in 0.05. And then after that we are starting commands to capture our video from for range I, and where I'm taking range of frame around 1000. It's up to you how many you take. And then after that, it's the same, the basic command, it's read the video from the device, and then I'm converting that image into gray, like what video I'm getting. Now I'll be showing you a demo as well. So that's what I'm converting into gray. Let's me run so that you will understand, and I'll explain also together. So this is what I'm converting into gray. Then after that I'm putting if else conditions. If you remember, we have the formula. Okay, the formula was that one, the background things. Okay, so if background is equal to gray, what it does, it it will make the same. If background is equal to 0 mean black, so it will say it's a gray. So what I'm telling you is this is what the conversion of gray, this is that command is doing. Okay, the gray command is doing converting image into gray, the original one before it's closed. This is the original one. Okay, so now let's move to the program again. So if it's not equal to 0, 0 mean basically it's a black, we see in programming. Then you convert, then you go to put threshold. Okay, binary threshold is there, and it's also mentioned in the formula. Threshold is not there, but it's fine, you can put and you can comment that as well. Basically what threshold does is it's convert into binary figure and like 0 and 1 form. So then you apply that formula, basically that is the formula. If you see alpha steric I to gray, the previous image, okay, I to gray, this is I converted, the original was from the colored one. Okay, this, and then I'll 1 minus alpha into the background, then we multiply with the background. And this is the command you make sure if you do, this is converting into an array string. So here I'm printing the gray frames, the motion mask. I'll be showing you the motion mask is that one formula, basically thresholding, putting threshold, and we are giving the value of the formula and the background as well. So let's run and I'll show you all the three screen in the, so that you will see the image will goes up here. Basically I'll focus on the background and the threshold, the motion mask one. The reason is, like as I mentioned in the theory part, that particular object will be not there on the scene. See, if you see, these are the object. When I move, there is no ghost. You can say ghost, we say sometimes it's got stuck, so the image is not there. See, I'm putting my hands and you can see it's very clear that the background noise is removed. It's just my curtain basically, so that's why it's still steady. But if the moving object, you see, it's removed the voice. So I hope you learn from this video and you will enjoy the journey with me. So I'll request to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive an updates. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next tutorial then.